across while treating the patients?
The major challenge which we come across is time. It is always time. The patient wants quick results, and see, some conditions where we may able to deliver quick results to the patient, but there are some neurological conditions where we may not be able to give quick result to the patient. So this will give a lot of confidence factor to the patient. The patient loses a lot of confidence in him when his treatment is getting delayed, or when his well-being is getting delayed for small slack reasons. Okay. And then the next factor is compliance. As it is as good as treating in good time. The compliance or the rapport which we develop with a patient involves us to give a major challenge. Once we are very compliant with the patient, or the patient does whatever we say, so we feel very happy for him to give a next boost level for that.
Okay. So I'm sure you might be educating the patients as well about their condition. How effective is this?
We speak a lot regarding the patient. Prior only we tell the time taken up for this treatment to work, or time taken for we to change the next treatment plan, or going to the second goal of the treatment. So it is always a time taking procedure. See, physiotherapy never ends with day 1 or day 2. It takes from, we have to see from a patient who is hospitalized in a bed to getting back to near normalcy, to getting back to his activities of daily life.
Well, I'm sure there are many students who would like to join this noble profession. So what are your suggestions for aspiring physiotherapists?
See, as far as it goes, I am also not one of the, I am also a very good aspiring physiotherapist, you can say. Okay. My suggestion or my point of interest would be strong in your basics, know what you are doing, okay, and develop good communication skills. As you speak, you develop good communication skills, speak for a very longer time to a patient, and develop a keen ear for their problems. You keep on listening to what a patient has to say. Once you are listening, then you will be able to notify his problems, or diagnose his problems, or to provide a good treatment ailment for them.
So patience means a lot.
Yes, definitely. Give a good ear to the patient. Whatever the patient says, first listen. Don't rush up with everything.
Thank you, doctor. It was a pleasure.
Thank you very much.
So, hope this interview was informative and beneficial to all our viewers. Until next time, good health.